Welcome everyone, this is Aptech Pro. Today I'm going to be fixing an iPhone 6 with a cracked screen. Everything still works. So as always, I'm going to go ahead and replace the screen, start the timer, speed up the video, and show you the final result. So I hope you enjoy.
I got this feeling inside my bones. It goes electric wavy when I turn it on. Off from my city, off from my home. We're flying up, no ceiling when we in our zone. I got that sunshine in my pocket, got that good soul in my feet. I feel that hot blood in my body when it drops. Ooh, I can't take my eyes off.
And we are done. So 9 minutes and 14 seconds, and we have a brand new iPhone 6. Everything still works great. So if you need an iPhone repair, battery replacement, screen replacement, anything to do with iPhones, we can definitely help you. Make sure you check us out on Instagram at Aptech Pro, and also our Facebook, as well as our website, and I'll leave the links in the description below. If you get the chance to like, comment, subscribe, and also share the video on social media, Instagram, Twitter, things like that, it truly helps. Thank you to all of our customers. Thank you for those who watch the videos, and until next time, I will see you guys soon. Thanks again.